Hey guys, really quick introduction to this Hubspot training, free forum, everything you need to get you flying with Hubspot. If you come to paulnicholson.com, you'll see the Hubspot CRM here is for more info, which is where you're probably watching this, or log in, you can go direct to the training. But you're probably watching this video on this page, and I just want to say that if you, all you've got to do is enter an email address and click join today. The email is so that I can update you on HubSpot news, HubSpot new lessons, you know, and things in the training in the forum that I think will be of benefit for you. I won't abuse your email address. I don't particularly like getting lots of emails myself, so I understand. And if you don't like the emails, there's just an unsubscribe button that you can just click and then you won't get any more emails. So put your email address in and it will jump you in to create an account in the training. So if I quickly sign up, hopefully with a proper email address, put in a username that's available. So put in whatever username you usually use or you like. Put in your name, first name, last name, or just your first name. It's up to you. Add a password. Please allow valid. Oh, it probably does. I probably already signed up with a test account. Let's try that. So it's going to say you've created an account. You're going to get an email. There's the beep. Here's the email from Paul Nicholson Training Forum. You just need to activate your account. Click to activate. Continue. And now it's going to give you a welcome. It wants you to read a welcome message. But if you go back in, you'll see HubSpot training, and then there's lots of HubSpot training lessons. There's an official training category, so these are official HubSpot training lessons, where you can just dive in and watch a lesson, watch it. It's a forum, so you can click reply. If you've got more questions, you can tag me, just do @Paul, and then tag me, ask me a question direct. I'm not going to do it because I've done it a few times before. You can go back and go into the HubSpot Q&A. At the minute, it's just been launched, so you can put a new question. How do I add contacts to HubSpot? I'm not deafening you with a keyboard. Just copy and paste. Create a topic. As easy as that. So it's basic lessons and then deeper questions when you start asking them. So the more you ask, the better. You'll see 2 adverts on every page. That helps pay for the free training. You know, between this and the advert that's on the front of the video, that's what pays for the training. So I hope it helps. Dive in, jump about, view the questions, view the lessons. If anything's missing, just jump in and ask me a question. All right. Thanks for watching. See you soon.